So it's been about a month with our mini habitat doing its thing. Initial observation, it looks like there's like significantly less activity going on. I just say that because before we could see worms actively like moving around the side of the glass and beetles crawling on the top surface. I never saw any activity in like the water part, and to start this off and get the bad news out of the way, the salamander has crossed the Rainbow Bridge, but it's okay. He's at peace with his relatives. So moving on, the only plant species I can identify still is this moss algae growth on the side. It honestly looks like it has significantly increased since before. Just we see so much more green pigmentation, and we can still see that it's like doing okay. These are all new oxygen bubbles, so it's still photosynthesizing. And I feel like this is the side with the most green pigmentation, the chlorophyll. I feel like this is the side that's always mainly like facing the window. Because other than that, I don't have much plant. I mean, I have like leaves right here, but other than this, it's a lot of just grasses from my sample location. Still nothing really going on at the bottom, nothing swimming around. It just looks like tons of plants and water. Organism wise, so we still see these little skinny worms right here, which were what I thought would be horsehair worms, which can be parasitic. The other day I noticed we had these little small ones up here, but they have not moved since. So I feel like they are also crossing the Rainbow Bridge. And then there's this little kind of larvae thing. I am having trouble identifying it. So we'll see if this changes to the adult stage, but I also have a feeling it also may have crossed the Rainbow Bridge. And then another organism would be these little blackish, brownish beetles, which I believe are water scavenger beetles. I feel like they also are dead because I feel like these are the beetles we first initially saw kind of crawling atop, like along this top area, but they were in this place a couple days ago. So I feel like the salamander may have died due to lack of oxygen, because just looking at it, a lot of the oxygen is located in this like center area or near the bottom by the water. So yeah, we still see tons of condensation buildup at the top, but not much is going on. I feel like my little mini habitat is really struggling to survive at this point, but we will see in a month if anything has changed or if I just have like a little mini graveyard.